name's Kath and this is Laura. We come to drums twice a week and we have a really good time. I've known Laura since she was about 2 years old and I've been working with her for the last 12 months. 3 days a week I work with her and we come to drums 2 days a week. Drums is the best days, aren't they? Yeah. Laura loves it here with Songbird, especially with the staff member Maddie and Anna, Josh and Mitch. Don't you?
Yeah.
Laura's been coming to drums for over 12 months. It's improved her mobility skills and socialising with all the other participants. Her coordination has improved and she thinks for herself now and they're asked to pick a move, so she knows what move to pick now, don't you?
Yeah.
You can choose your own moves. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.